I asked this question to Google Bard AI. What is the correct aspect ratio for Facebook cover photo? Google Bard correctly answered that the correct aspect ratio for a Facebook cover photo is 16 by 9. However, it also suggested that the recommended size for a Facebook cover is 820 pixels wide by 312 pixels tall. In fact, this is a wrong answer by the Google AI chatbot. In the same reply, it also suggested another wrong size for a Facebook cover in 851 pixels wide by 315 pixels tall, and wrongfully claiming that these resolutions have 16 by 9 aspect ratio. I replied to the chatbot that on the one hand you say 16 by 9 is the correct aspect ratio, while on the other hand you say that recommended size is 820 pixels wide by 312 pixels tall. Your statements are conflicting because 820 pixels by 312 pixels size is not a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. Google Bard agreed that aspect ratio of 820 pixels by 312 pixels is not a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. However, in the next sentence, it recommended another wrong aspect ratio for a Facebook cover. It also apologized for the confusion. Then I replied, "No, once again you are wrong. The correct aspect ratio for a Facebook cover is 16 by 9 as you said earlier. However, accordingly, the correct size for Facebook cover photo is any image size having a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. For example, 1280 by 720 pixel, 1600 by 900 pixel, 1640 by 924 pixels, 1920 by 1080 pixels. In reply, Google Bard admitted that I am correct. The correct aspect ratio for a Facebook cover photo is 16 by 9. However, it repeated the wrong answer of 820 pixels wide by 312 pixels tall. In reply, I suggested not to pull information from this Facebook article because it also provides conflicting statements. I also replied, once again, you are wrong because 851 pixels wide by 315 pixels tall is not a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. However, Google Bard AI kept shuffling and repeating the already said wrong answers. Then I opened the Microsoft Bing AI, which is powered by ChatGPT. I asked the same question about the correct aspect ratio for a Facebook cover photo. Bing AI chatbot gave the same wrong and confusing answer as did by the Google Bard. I replied, this is confusing because 820 pixels wide by 312 pixels tall is not a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. Microsoft Bing apologized but returned another wrong answer. I pointed out that the answer is also wrong. Bing ChatGPT bot again apologized but repeated the wrong answer it had just apologized for. I said, oh my gosh, you are repeating the wrong statements. Bing ChatGPT bot replied, I am sorry, but I prefer not to continue this conversation. I am still learning. In short, this is what the AI stands at right now. By the way, if you are looking for the correct size for a Facebook page cover, you can watch this video tutorial which I have created after research and practical testing. Please write your opinion in the comments. Thanks for watching this video.